Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain about the scene structure. Let's begin! Let's start! Click here to switch scenes, add or delete scenes. In the default state, there is one scene. Click this button to add a scene. Let's select New. An empty scene has been generated like this. Click here to switch scenes. Click this button to delete the scene. If there's only one scene, it'll not be deleted. When adding a collection, make sure you don't make a mistake in which hierarchy you want to add the collection. Firstly, add the collection inside the scene collection. Select Scene Collection and click the button on the top right. In this way, a new collection has been added into Scene Collection. Then, add a new collection into Collection. Select a collection and then click the button at the top right. In this way, a new collection has been added into Collection. The function equivalent to Track in Premiere Pro, in Layer in After Effects is View Layer. You can switch the displayed objects by switching the view layer. First, let's add a new view layer. Click this button to create a new view layer. Please note that there is a view layer named View Layer in the default state. When you see an option like this, click New. In this way, a new view layer called View Layer 001 has been created. Next, let's switch the view layer. You can switch view layers here. Click this button to delete the view layer. Be sure to delete the view layer that you no longer use. Now let's set different objects for each view layer. First, set the first view layer like this. Then, set the second view layer like this. You can show hide objects from this button. When you switch the view layer, it looks like this. If there are few objects like this time, one view layer is enough. But when the number of objects increases, you can easily manage the display, non-display of objects by creating multiple view layers. This concludes the explanation of the scene structure. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.